Just a quick note before the video. I am just getting started on my content creation journey. And if you enjoy what you're watching here, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Okay, have a great day. Okay, day 5 incoming, and we're once again up. It's early in the morning, but let's see. Boom, there it is, day 5. Supply stacks. The expedition can depart as soon as the final supplies have been unloaded from the ships. Supplies are stored in stacks of marked crates, but because the needed supplies are buried under many other crates, the crates need to be rearranged. The ship has a giant cargo crane capable of moving crates between stacks. Okay, to ensure none of the crates get crushed or fall over, the crane operator will rearrange them in a series of carefully planned steps. After the crates are rearranged, the desired crates will be at the top of each stack. The elves don't want to interrupt the crane operator during this delicate procedure, but they forgot to ask her which crate will end up where, and they want to be ready to unload them as soon as possible so they can embark. They do, however, have a drawing of the starting stack of crates and the rearrangement procedure, your puzzle input. For example, in this example, there are 3 stacks of crates. Stack 1 contains 2 crates, C at the bottom and N at the top. Stack 2 contains 3 crates, right? M, C, D, and then 1 crate in stack 3. The rearrangement procedure is given. In each step of the procedure, a quantity of crates is moved from one stack to a different stack. In the first step of the above arrangement procedure, 1 crate is moved from stack 2 to stack 1, resulting in this configuration. Move 1 from 2 to 1. So D goes over to 1. In the second step, move 3 from 1 to 3. 3 crates are moved from stack 1 to stack 3. Crates are moved one at a time, so the first crate to be moved, D, ends up below the second and third crate. Right, okay. They move them one at a time, okay. Then both crates are moved from stack 2 to stack 1. Again, because crates are moved one at a time, crate C ends up below crate M. 1 crate is moved from stack 1 to stack 2. The elves just need to know which crate will end up on top of each stack. In this example, the top crates are C in stack 1, M in stack 2, and C in stack 3. So you should combine these together and give the elves the message back C, M, Z. After the rearrangement procedure completes, what crate ends up on top of each stack? Okay, very interesting puzzle today, isn't it? Let's see. Let's generate day 5. Good. Let's look at this input here again. Wow, okay, so we have 9 stacks and then a bunch of procedures. I think what we should do is actually do this example and start with that. So I think we can just input example. Yeah, I think let's do this. So these are correct, right? I wonder how we're gonna split it, right? So if we just split on let I equal 0, if I is less than or equal line length, I think plus 1, line slice I 3. So what is this? Just N and C. So if we create this, maybe say that we push in those lines. Let's skip this. List of strings. What do we have down here then? Okay. Const create. So we first slice it. Can we slice it again? 1, 2. Actually, can we do that? Slice it again, 1, 2. Okay, so there we go. Okay, there we go. So we have D and then NC, C, P. Okay, so this is looking fine. Or let X of array. So go through the array, right? Fine, fine, fine. And then I think if X not equal empty string, then const stacks, maybe we just need one array, and this one is going to be an array of arrays. What was that array? Wait, so I think we could do, was it something like this? Length 3, fill it with zeros, and then map, and we can do we could just return an array. This one needs to go outside of the loop, right? And then let's not do this. Let's do another for of, or another for loop. So let I again equal 0. I is less than or equal stacks length, then I plus plus. And in here, we can do if Ri not equal empty string, then stacks push Ri. This, okay, Ri, why not? Let's just do this for now and see if it's correct. And then we can stacks I push. No, so it's something if. Okay, so there we have it. We have now an array of 3 arrays. What happens if it's less than 3, like else if I is more than 4, then log the line. Okay, so wait with the stacks a little bit here because, yeah, move 1 from 2 to 1, move 1 from 2 to 1. So that's the first one. Or could we just do like is move array now? Do 1 3 1 3 2 2 1 1 1 2. And then if we say that this is going to be 30 and this is going to be 21, okay, so we split on space. Obviously, we don't need to split on character. We split on space. So move array is always going to be 3, and then we can do const move from 2 equals move array. And in here we need another loop, right? So for const I of move array, const shift is going to be, right, so that would be stacks from +1, and then stacks 2 + 1 unshift. Shift. And we put you in there. And we do as string. Ah, no. Okay, so okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I equals 0. I is less than I equal 1, less than or equal to move I ++. So this is the loop we need, I guess. And then we could do this in here, perhaps. So DNC CMP. The DNC CMP, it moved this one. And then move 3 from 1 to 3. Now all of them should be going, so it should be a D on the bottom there. DNC. So it moved D there, and then it moved D and C. And now the first array is empty. I think this might be it. And then at the end, what we need to do is just okay, let's do another. It's a lot of looping here, but it's less than stacks length I ++, and then let letters equals an empty string, and we're gonna do stacks I 0. CMZ, CMC. Okay, so it's correct with the example. Let's try it with the input. And we need length to be of 9. Jesus. Okay, so what happens now? Undefined. So then if okay, wow. This has been tricky. Let's just see if it is this one. Oh no. Okay. Wrong answer. It needs to be less than 10, right? Because yes. And then more than 9. I think this is correct. At least let's try it. Okay, so we have a new output. That's the right answer. Wow. Okay. Let's just dig into part 2 immediately. No time to waste here. As you watch the crane operator expertly rearrange the crates, you notice the process isn't following your prediction. Some mud was covering the writing on the side of the crane, and you quickly wipe it out. The crane isn't a crate mover 9000, it's a crate mover 9001. So it's over 9,000. The crate mover is notable for many new and exciting features: air conditioning, leather seats, and the ability to pick up and move multiple crates at once. Okay, again, considering the example above, the crates begin in the same configuration. I hope this is just going to be straightforward now at the solution that we have, because I think instead of looping over them, we're just going to pick a number and we're going to shift and unshift all of those. Let's hope. Moving a single crate from stack 2 to stack 1 behaves the same as before. However, the action of moving 3 crates from stack 1 to stack 3 means that those 3 moved crates stay in the same order, resulting in this new configuration. Okay, next, as both crates, they retain their order. Okay. So let's see. MCD. Let's check with the... Let's do some example. Instead of looping over them, right? What we're going to do is stacks from -1. I think removes elements from an array and, if necessary, insert a new element in their place. We need to splice. We need to start from 0. And we need to delete count, move. Const move crates, stacks 2 -1, unshift, new elements, and we spread move crates. MCD, MCD, that's correct. Wow, okay. So I hope this is actually going to be correct. Yes, let's try and add this. But then I wonder if it's even right. or if we messed up somewhere. We get something. We do get something here. Oh, it's the right answer. Wow, yeah. So today's challenge was something else. I struggled a lot more with this one. A lot of figuring out how to read the lines and organize the data properly. That's what all of this is here at first. Could probably be done in a simpler way, but at least we made it happen. So I'm very happy. Thanks a lot for watching. This was day 5. We got 2 stars again. Super exciting. I'll be here tomorrow for day 6 at 6 a.m. again. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao.